Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can add tokens on Phantom Wallet. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So first of all, open Phantom Wallet app on your mobile device and log into your Phantom Wallet account. In order to add your tokens, you just need to click on Manage Token List. And you just only have 4 options. Now, in case you are wondering whether you can add some other or not, unfortunately, you cannot add some other tokens even if you want to add other than these 4 tokens. So that's the downside of using this. So don't waste your time around in order to find a solution for it. Because at the end, you cannot even add any other token other than these 4. So that's basically how you can add tokens on Phantom Wallet. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.